positive. You gotta see a lot more butt scrumping and right rein steering. The whole way to...
At the last second it felt awful.
You maybe had one little butt scrump. Right idea, Ingville. You know, Lindsay can play back your video, and you're up here, around your little nostrils. Down low, in line with the rings of the bit, okay? You had absolutely the right thing in your head. You know, and much better through your body position. Good, John. Nice body balance there. I would say for those kind of exercises, take a little more off the pace before you come to the drop.
A little more what?
Take a little more off the pace before you come to the drop.